Hi, so in the last video we went through how to scan our lines.
In this video, we're going to cover how GST/VAT is applied and how to override it using document capture if required. GST or VAT will be automatically applied to the invoice based on your setup of the following options. If your vendor setup has a GST/VAT business posting group, this will be brought into the invoice. If your item setup has a GST/VAT product posting group, this will also be brought into the invoice. The setup you have made behind these posting groups will affect which GST/VAT amount is applied. If you don't need to override the GST/VAT or add any fields, you can skip to the part where we register the invoice. So if you want to see how to add fields or want to see how to override GST/VAT, keep watching this video. So to override the automatic GST/VAT, we need to edit the GST/VAT product posting group. So we're going to want to add this field to our lines in document capture.
Just a warning that GST is the Australian equivalent of VAT, so anytime I mention VAT or GST, they are the same thing. So because the GST is part of our lines, we're going to want to go into document and document card. We can see here, if we scroll down to our lines, that we don't have a GST field. So to add this, what we're going to want to do is go into template, template card, scroll down, and here we've got our line fields. And what we're going to want to do is click add template field. And in here is where you can find any missing fields that you want to add if you needed them mapped. But I'm looking for a VAT field and it's going to be in the lines. And we're going to use the VAT product posting group. So if we select this, we can see it's now been added to our line section. And now if we refresh this, we will now have the VAT product posting group field in our Business Central section. So now, same thing, to map it, we're just going to select this box, right click, and cover this. And then we're going to recognize the fields. And now that's added our VAT/GST, depending on what country you're in. So now we're happy for all of this. What we can do is go ahead and post it. And to do this, all we need to do is click register. I'm going to say yes. And now what we'll find is it's opened a Business Central purchase invoice, and this will now contain all of the fields that we've mapped across. We can see in here as well, we could have added the GST here, but obviously I've done it so it's mapped it over by itself. We could have done it here. And now this just works like any other Business Central purchase invoice. We can see all of our lines, our subtotals, total including VAT or GST. And now we just post this as we normally would. And this will finalize our purchase invoice. And that completes the process.